Hello Amber, I think you wanted to change your images, tastes and everything on your dashboard. So you wanted to know how to do that. It's really easy for you because you have an Elementor page builder. So so let's see how we will do that. Okay, great. First you need to log in on your. First you need to visit you on your dashboard. Kahunapokerbar.com/wpadmin. When you provide this, then you will visit on your dashboard. Okay, great. I am providing your username and password. Log in. When you see the interface, dashboard interface, you will see pages. So click on hover the mouse on pages, then you will see all pages. Click there. When you will be able to see all of your pages. Right now you want to change your menu pages, text or images or anything you wanted to change. So firstly put your cursor on menu, then you will see edit with Elementor. Click there. The pages is coming. Sorry, my internet connection is very poor, so it's coming. It's making a little bit slow. Okay, when you available to see your pages, then you wanted to change, like you wanted to change base text. So how you will do that? Just click there. You can change here live. Or you can change here too. Okay, I am just showing you an example. Like you have changed the text. Now you wanted to publish it on your page. So you just need to when you change the text, you will see the update. When you click on update, it will be update on your new text, or what you will provide, it will be changed. Same, everything is same. If you wanted to change the word, like you wanted to add something like carrot, and then you need to just click on update. It will be update for you. The page will be update for your users. Everything is easy. If you wanted to change this image, you can change this too. Just click delete and add the new image. Everything is super easy because the Elementor will give you a super power to change everything. Hopefully you will understand everything by doing this video. So it's enough for you. Thank you very much.